Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making French toast. This is a perfect easy breakfast recipe or you can serve it as a snack. I am showing two types of French toast, spicy and sweet French toast. For spicy French toast, you need 1 cup of milk, that is 200 ml of milk, 1 egg and beat it well. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies, handful of finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander leaves, and add salt to taste, less than half teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and mix it well. Egg and milk mixture is ready for the spicy French toast. For sweet French toast, you need 1 cup of milk, that is 200 ml of milk, 1 egg, and add cardamom powder according to your choice. Mix it well. And add 2 teaspoons of maida. And here I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your sweetness. Mix it well. And don't forget to add maida because the maida will take the uncooked or squishiness from the French toast. The spicy and sweet version of egg and milk mixture is ready now. The first I am making a sweet French toast. Dip a bread in a mixture and add ghee and little oil in a pan. And toast the bread both the sides in a low to medium flame. Add ghee compulsory because this will give a delicious taste to the French toast. The easy and tasty French toast is ready to serve. In a spicy French toast mixture, dip a bread. You can use brown or white bread. Add the toast to the hot pan and let it cook in a low to medium flame. The remaining onion and green chili from a spicy egg and milk mixture, spread it on a toast. If you feel that the bread is still squishy at the center, poke it with the spatula. This will help the bread to cook evenly. I have recently uploaded the mixed fruit jam and banana cake video. The link will be in the description box below. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like. Thank you.